these are all the parts I'm attempting to sell. I just listed a bunch on Marketplace. The valve covers, and then the lift pump right there, and the intake shelf. So we'll mosey on over here to the truck so I can show you what's going on. So, you know, we got the shiny valve cover and the shiny intake shelf, and then all the stuff that's not shiny, kind of drowning it out. And then down here, we got the nice killer block off plate, and it looks pretty sweet. I haven't started it up to see if I got it sealed up or not. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say we did. So, I got that taken care of. It didn't take too long, except for those bolts on that thing are a pain to get to, and they were 10mm, which I find surprising. I thought they would be a little bit bigger and also standard size. So I did that, and that's about all I got into. Now the next thing I'm looking into is changing this brake booster out, and I have a spare in here from my old truck. When I wrecked it, I just went ahead and stripped a bunch of parts off of it, kept a lot of them. So this brake booster, as far as I know, is still good. It's gonna need cleaned up, because it's been sitting, boy, this will make 2 years and almost 2 months. 2 years and 2 months since I wrecked that thing. So that'll be cleaned up, and I might tear into that tomorrow if I can. So that's actually all I wanted to show you guys. So I'm gonna go, let you guys get back to whatever you were doing, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.